How to add the image side by side on Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, open your Google Docs. After you open your Google Docs, just choose the document that you want to add your image on. So you can see that I've already added some image on my file side by side. So how you can do that is simply place your cursor wherever you want your image to be. Tap on the very plus icon, scroll down and choose on the image option. You can place the image from photos, from camera or from the web as well. So after you post any photos, then it will just take some place there. Now you need to place your cursor to just at the side of the image that you have already posted, and where your cursor is, the image will be pasted there. Depending on the size of the image, you can crop it and resize or minimize the size of the image as you want to. So that's how you can do it. It's pretty simple and easy. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.